The air travel industry is a billion-dollar industry which is open to innovation. After getting through the checkpoint and finally sitting on the plane, a common occurrence on aircrafts when they're traveling long distances is children can become restless to being due to being secluded to their seats, where they just become bored and may annoy other passengers by kicking or just making a noise. We at Aerocare plan to solve this by having a play area as a service on long flights. By solving this, we're giving children an opportunity to distract themselves from numerous and unavoidable issues they face in aircrafts. With this luxury, children will be able to go play on their own, being supervised by staff. Now, the design of the room is aimed for children under 6, where a maximum of 4 children, depending on the staff and also the size of the aircraft, will be installed, and we require 1 staff member to watch 4 children in the room, where they will run activities and games to entertain them. The staff working with the children will be trained as childcare workers, and they'll be certified to work with children, so you can rest assured they'll be in great care with them. For our prototype design, we have used the Skylark XLR, which, as you can see on the slide, has and by installing this room, we still have room for passengers and staff still to walk through, with the only removing 6 seats on the plane. Features on the plane would be just the playroom itself would have many toys, and the staff themselves will be running activities and to keep them busy and entertained and distracted from the long flight, to create a memorable and pleasant experience for both the children and also parents and travellers on the plane. Parents would consider safety for the children first, and we as Aerocare also care for the safety of the children. Taking that into consideration, we have 5 foldable seats here and here, as you can see, where in cases of turbulence, the staff will quickly and efficiently place the children in these seats, where they will be safely secured till the turbulence has disoccurred. And the toys that we are planning to input in this room will be soft, so if they're being tossed around, they will not likely cause any harm. And also, the staff are trained childcare workers, so they will have experience in what to do in different situations that may arise within the room. We plan to present this mainly to airline companies, where their funds will help us prototype our design on an actual plane or possibly a similar structure, where we will work out what procedures will be required, and comfort features as well that can be tested, and we can live test this to actual children and see how they approve of it. After approval of the structure and construction of the model, we can then install this onto many types of planes depending on the design of the plane, where the rooms will possibly range from different sizes but remain in a consistent pattern of holding 4 children and 1 staff member. However, we do not plan to stop here. Once this is up in the air, we are going to use all the data gathered from the feedback and experience to improve the features in the room, to make necessary changes to make the experience more memorable for the children, and to continue pleasing all passengers, staff, and parents on the plane. So after all this, remember that this service is new to the competitive market of airline industries, which travellers and companies will want. After all, you care, we care, Aerocare. Thank you for listening. We're happy to answer any questions you might have for us.